we're going to change out the propellers on a Revospray P150 Pro. It's pretty simple. We're going to be installing these gray propellers today. We've had better luck out of these here lately. These are rated for temperatures below 15 Celsius, but right now it's about 70, 80 degrees, and we're seeing better results out of these propellers. So pretty easy install. You've got, if you can flip the tank upside down, remove your outlet, I'm sorry, and you've got 4 3mm screws, 2 on each pump. And then on the back side, you've got 4 2.5mm screws. The plate pulls off, and you've got a black propeller on the inside. And then you just pull the propeller out. Take the gray one, and you'll put it in about the same way it came out. There's a little bit of bend at the top. Pretty easy install. Install the plate back. Just lightly torque these down. They don't take much. Just repeat the process for the other side. It's pretty simple. If you find out that your spraying and your calibration is a little bit off, this is what you can do to improve your performance.